po yung loob niya, ma'am. Push. Hanggang natin. Then push again. Kapitan natin yung mama. Then, okay. Hindi, pag sinet natin siya, ma'am. Set. Tapos, ito yung ano natin, ma'am. Kung bread, naka-ano po yan, naka-fix na po yan. And then chicken, steak, muffin, and then shrimp, then fish. For example, ma'am, gusto nyo pa isa't siya. Ito po yung ano niya, timer. Pwede nyo taasan, pwede nyo babaan. And then temperature niya, pwede nyo taasan din. And then pwede rin babaan.
Okay.
Yan. Kung okay na po yan, ma'am, pindot nyo po ito, ma'am. Yan.
Start na yan.
Starting na po yan, ma'am.
Paano patayin ulit?
Ito lang, ma'am.
Tapos, i-on mo.
On lang po natin, ma'am. And then, pag okay na po yan,
Ano
ma'am.
yung M para sa menu?
Oo, menu po yan, ma'am.
Oh, okay.
So, pag okay na po yan, ma'am.
Standard na yung temperature niya.
Yes. Yan po, ma'am. Naka-standard na po.
200?
Yes, ma'am.
160.
180, 180, 180.
Yung pork, saan dyan?
Yung ano, ma'am?
Pork
At pwede na sa steak yan, ma'am.
or steak?
Yes. Pag okay na po yan, ma'am, yan. For example, ma'am, gusto niyo
Hindi
i-check.
yan masisira kahit walang laman sa loob?
Okay na po yan, ma'am. For
Walang
example,
laman
i-check
na
natin.
pagkain sa loob. Sige, check mo.
Check natin, mamamatay po siya. Auto shot po. So, pag kinontinue po natin siya, ma'am, bubuksan po siya, ma'am.
Babalik na siya.
Continuous pa siya, ma'am.
Yung timer, continuous,
Yes, continuous pa rin. Pag okay na po, ma'am, off lang natin yan, ma'am. Then, wala. Ready na. Mainit naman po, ma'am.
lang.
Hello everyone, welcome back again to another video. So for today's episode, we are going to test this digital air fryer from Kyowa. And before we start using this device, I would highly recommend that you read the manual. So it comes with a manual. I have read it earlier and it's basically straightforward. And I guess this device is easy to use. So first, all we have to do is wash the tray, and these are the trays. So this is where we are going to put the food later. So I would highly suggest that you wash this very thoroughly. And the second tray, I guess, will serve as the catch basin for the excess oils from the food. And once you're done washing these device or these trays, then you have to preheat the air fryer to the maximum temperature, and afterwards that's the time that we are going to put the food here. And later on, once we turn on this device, it will show us the preset temperature for each menu. So let's say, for example, pork, according to this manual, there is already a preset temperature and the timer for pork, which is 200 degrees, I believe. So let's start using this device and see what will happen. So we are now preheating the air fryer, and we have 3 minutes left. Once done, we are going to put the food later. Okay, see what will happen. All right, so food is now on the tray there, ready to be cooked. Let's push it. And when you press M, so that's the menu. I guess that's the pork. So yes, 200 degrees Celsius. Let's start now. Let's change the timer to 15 minutes. Okay, so 5 minutes left. Let's see what's going on inside. Whoa. Okay. I guess this is good enough. Just to continue, simply push the tray and it will resume frying your food.